Jai Srimannarayana, 25th sloka of 11th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Damshtra karalani cha te mukhani drustvaiva kalanala sannibhani diso na jane न लभे च शर्मा प्रसीद देवेश जगन्निवास। ओम। Do not depend on your own abilities and intellect to understand all pervasiveness of Sri Krishna Paramatma. Seek mercy of Sri Krishna Paramatma. Seek grace of Sri Krishna Paramatma. Approach one authentic and authoritative Acharya and get Narayana Mantra to understand the unmeasurable glory of Sri Krishna Paramatma. Then you will definitely achieve peace of mind, balanced state of mind, and enjoy Sri Krishna Paramatma's all-pervasiveness. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Krishna Paramatma strongly asking you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, "Come to me, surrender to me alone. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha." Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma saying that, "O Krishna, O Srimannarayana, I seek your grace. I seek your mercy. O Krishna, O Srimannarayana, please help me get one authentic and authoritative Acharya to get Narayana Mantra by which I can understand and enjoy your all-pervasiveness and have balanced state of mind. O Krishna, O Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone. I shall not cry. Srimannarayana, karishye vachanam tava. I shall obey your orders. Please help me act according to your heart. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpatarorgalitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. శ్రీ సుఖయోగీంద్రుల వారికి నమస్కారం. యం ప్రవ్రజంతమనుపేతమపేతకృత్యం ద్వైపాయనో విరహకాతర ఆజుహావ పుత్రేతి తన్మయతయా తరవోభినేదుః తం సర్వభూతహృదయం మునిమానతోస్మి. నమస్కారం టు నరనారాయణ, చతుర్ముఖ బ్రహ్మ, సరస్వతీదేవి, వ్యాసమహర్షి. నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. శ్రీమద్భాగవతము దశమస్కంధము, 10th స్కంధం, 177th day. Sutta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukayogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Sri Krishna killed Vatsasura, Kapithasura. After seeing that, tam vikshya vismita balaha sisamsuhu sadhu sadviti devascha parisantushta babhuvuhu pushpa varshinaha. All the children who have seen that Krishna killing both Rakshasas, they all praising Krishna and appreciating Krishna. And from the sky all the devatas showered the rain of flowers. After that, one of those days, Balarama, Krishna and all other boys, they took all their calves and came down to banks of river Yamuna to feed all the calves. Tau vatsapalakau bhutva sarvalokaika palaka. The one who can rule, who can take care of, who can nourish all the worlds. Such Krishna Paramatma now came down to Yamuna river, bringing all his calves. And they fed calves, and after that they also had all their calves drink some water. After that Krishna, Balarama and other boys, they all drank some water. Then they happened to see one bird, stork. So there is one Rakshasa in that bird. That bird has such a huge body and is looking so dreadful. Savai bako nama mahan asuraha bakarupa druk. The Rakshasa Bakasura came in that form of one stork. How is that stork? Ella panulu mani ekagrachitudai mauni vrutti nitara matamu vidichi vanamulona nilichi vanajakshupai drushti cherchi. That bird is looking as if after finishing all the works and doing one meditation, japam, like that, just like a Muni, Maharshi, that stork is looking, and with focused mind, with focused vision, that Bakasura, that stork is looking, staring only at Krishna Paramatma. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatuno Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarasatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva samuthitam jagadidam Krishnasya dasosmyaham. Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam. He Krishna samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 11th chapter, 25th sloka. Damshtra karalani chate mukhani दृष्ट्वैव कालानलसन्निभानि दिशो न जाने न लभे च शर्मा प्रसीद देवेश जगन्निवास दंष्ट्राकरालानि च ते मुखानि दृष्ट्वैव कालानलसन्निभानि दिशो न जाने न लभे च शर्मा प्रसीद देवेश जगन्निवास श्रीमन्नारायण करिष्ये वचनं तव सर्वं श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु। जय श्रीमन्नारायण।